Top 10 Phone Repair in Spokane. 1. Fast Repair at Northtown Mall, 5, 304 reviews, N Division Street. 2. 509 Controller and Console Repairs, 598 reviews, East Boone Ave Suite A. 3. PhoneXpert at Northtown Mall, 541 reviews, N Division Street. 4. Cellaxs Phone Repair at River Park Square, 4.9 699 reviews, West Main Avenue Level 2. 5. iFixandRepair Spokane Walmart, 4.9 305 reviews, N Colton St. 6. Spokane Screen Repair, 4.9 209 reviews, Shop Building, by appointment only. 7. uBreakiFix Phone and Computer Repair, 4.9 163 reviews, East Holland Ave Suite F. 8. Fix Phone Mobile Phone and Tablet Repair and Accessories, 4.9 102 reviews, West Main Avenue. 9. Cellaxs Phone Repair, 4.8 340 reviews, East Indiana Avenue. 10. Clearly Computerz, 4.8 51 reviews, N Addison St.